Key concept review for Key Concept 3.1. Although at this time period, Afro-Eurasia and the Americas remained separate, this era just witnessed a further development and expansion of existing or new trade routes. This also happened because of improved transportation technologies and commercial practices, which in return increased trade and expanded the geographical range of trade networks. For example, previously existing trade routes continued to flourish, such as the Silk Roads, the Mediterranean, the Trans-Sahara, just to name a few. New cities also emerged along these trade routes, such as Timbuktu in Mali, Baghdad in Iraq, and Tenochtitlan, which was in Mexico. Also, new trade routes came about in Mesoamerica and the Andes. The two major Inca roads, which ran from north to south, one through the mountains, one through the coast. This also enabled luxury goods to travel long distances, for example, silk, cotton, and Chinese porcelain. And don't forget about the spices. This was made right because governments did things to facilitate trade, such as minting coins and created paper money, creating trade organizations like the Hanseatic League, and commercial infrastructure like the Grand Canal. Also, the movement of peoples caused environmental and linguistic effects. Migration and trade also spread languages. For example, the Arabic and the Swahili language was a combination of Bantu and Arabic. Trade also spread religion. For example, the expansion of Islam was made possible by a lot of trade. And finally, scientific and technological traditions also spread through cross-cultural interactions. For example, the influence of Greek and Indian mathematics on Muslim scholars, and vice versa.